Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use the Group tool to overall editing model. Let's try it together. Part 1. Model Grouping. In the Design tool, hold the Shift or Up, select multiple models, and then click Group in the floating window. You need note that furniture can also be merged and grouped with wall decorations, lights, and other models. After grouping, you can adjust the overall size and distance to slab of the group in the Properties bar on the right. If you want to edit a model within the group without ungrouping, you can double-click the model to be edited within the group, and then modify the size in the Property bar on the right. You can also select the group, click Add to Favorites in the floating window, making it convenient for future use. Part 2. Model Ungrouping. Select the grouped model and click Ungroup in the floating window. After ungrouping, you can independently replace, favorite, or delete models. That's all, thanks for watching.